Welcome back to our channel, and today video will provide you with the full guide and how to import your contacts and Telegram. If you have been wondering how to quickly add your contact to Telegram, you have come to the right place. And let's go started with steps. Step 1. Open Telegram on your device. You can find the Telegram app icon on your home screen or the app drawer. Tap on to open the app. Step 2. You have Telegram open. Look for the three stacked line in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on this line to access the main. Step 3. Scroll down until you find setting. Tap on this option to access Telegram setting. Step 4. Within the setting, scroll down until you locate the app version information. It is usually found near bottom setting page. Step 5. Tap and hold of the app version information. After a moment, tap and hold it again. The action will trigger hidden menu called the DAB menu to appear. Step 6. DAB menu, you will find version option. Lock the tap import contact. The initial contact import process. By following this simple step, you can easily import your contacts into Telegram. Start connecting with your friend and connect on platform. Thanks for watching. See you on the video soon.